Yes, sir.
Hi, Doc. Hey, I take the Healthy Heart Brain Pack. I love it. I just got diagnosed with hemochromatosis. My ferritin level is 1,600, and they draw blood every 3 days from me. What do I do?
Okay, hemochromatosis is a tumor on your adrenal glands, your kidneys, your heart. Where's it at? Hello?
Yeah, Doc.
Okay. So how's it manifesting?
It's my ferritin levels. I didn't even know about it until they did a test.
Your ferritin levels?
Yeah, 1,600.
Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, did they start taking blood from you?
I donate every 3 days.
Every 3 days. My goodness gracious. All right. Yeah, they forget that your bone marrow requires all 90 essential nutrients to make a healthy hemoglobin. Were you taking an iron supplement or iron injections or anything?
No, not the. All they take is the 90 essentials.
Okay. All right. Very good. Do you have any history of any respiratory stuff, asthma, bronchitis, or any bowel things or skin stuff?
Yes.
Okay. How much do you weigh, Clifford?
250.
Okay. And how tall are you?
5'8".
All right. Yeah, 5'8", I'd like to see you weigh 175, 180, maybe 160, somewhere in there. So somewhere between 70 to 90 pounds, depending on what you want to look like. And so, Charmaine, what's going on here? Clifford's had some symptoms here. What are we talking about?
Well, obviously it sounds to me like he has a gluten intolerance and is not able to absorb a lot of the nutrients that he's paying good money for.
Yes, exactly. Very right. Okay, this guy should weigh about 170 pounds maybe, so he needs to lose maybe 80, 90 pounds. What would you do for him, Charmaine?
Well, for his issues, I would suggest him temporarily until he loses more weight. He probably really should have 3 healthy brain and heart packs, and he needs to add the Ultimate Daily Classic to it, and the vitamin D3, and for the weight loss, he needs some Rev.
Okay, yeah, he could take a dropper full under his tongue 30 minutes for each meal, let it absorb through oral tissues. He'll begin to lose a half pound, 2 pounds a day. What would you do to stimulate his bone marrow cells to make healthy red blood cells?
Is it the HGH? I don't know.
Well, how about immortalium?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, stem cells. Yeah, let's go for the stem cells.
Okay.
Because he's getting the nutrients, and I believe he's not absorbing it because he said he has a history of skin problems and bowel problems and so forth. And you were right. I believe he does have a gluten intolerance. So you got to be drop dead gluten-free, Clifford. Make sure everybody in your household, the dog, the cat, the bird, the fish, spouse, partner, renters, roommates, everybody's got to be drop dead gluten-free. And call us every 2 weeks. Anytime you go in for blood work, let us know what's going on. Taking blood from you every 3 days is not good.
You want to hear a staggering stat? Every 25 seconds, someone in America has a coronary or heart event. Wow. Now you can see why heart disease is the leading cause of death among men and women. And obviously the heart, the grand central station that has all the oxygen to supply our body, is something we do not want to be messing with. Well, let's also not forget about the brain. The incidence of neurological diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's has steadily been on the rise. Brain health, function, cognition, activity, not just brain exercises like Sudoku are important, but so is exercise, actually more powerful. But we also need to feed the brain the nutrients it needs to develop, and then also protect it from all the toxins that can destroy it. So you're probably thinking that it seems a bit odd that we put two such unique areas, the brain and the heart, in one pack. Doesn't seem like there would be much of a link. But when you look at the nutrients that support these two areas, you'll kind of understand. First off, the pack contains Ultimate EFA. They're a very powerful blend of healthy fats. the omegas 3, 6, and 9. It's the reason why you're told to eat more fish, and with good reason. Because 2/3 of your brain is actually made up of fats. But not just any fats, but these specific types of fats. And we've put it in the most bioavailable and concentrated forms in our pack. Well, these same fats are also extremely beneficial for heart health. Omega fats have been researched and shown to reduce inflammation, decrease triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and a whole host of other heart-healthy benefits. But the real jewel of the brain and the heart pack is Ultimate Selenium, a blend of powerful vitamin antioxidants. Every day, you're obviously using your brain and heart, pumping blood, thinking, solving the world's problems. Well, all that stress creates a whole lot of toxicity. Those toxins need to be neutralized and quickly shuttled out of the body. That's why the antioxidants are so important. They keep your heart pumping and your brain thinking.
Remember youthful vitality? Boundless energy, clear skin, and robust health were so easy to take for granted back then. Of course, youth can't last forever. The clock keeps ticking and we grow older. We can't stop the hands of time. But what if we could slow cellular aging? An amazing breakthrough in genetic coding may finally make it possible to do just that. In 2009, a team of doctors won the Nobel Prize in Physiology for discovering that the ends of chromosomes are protected by coverings called telomeres that control cellular aging. Since this breakthrough, hundreds of studies have investigated telomeres in search of the fountain of youth. Some of these studies suggest telomeres may even be reprogrammed to promote cell regeneration. From this cutting-edge research, Immortalium was born, an advanced nutritional formula designed to nourish, optimize, and protect our telomeres. So how does it work? Thanks to genetic coding, cells can replicate, enabling tissue repair and renewal. During replication, DNA splits, taking genetic code from telomeres to create a healthy new cell. When we're young, our telomeres are long and strong, with plenty of genetic code to spare. We enjoy healthy cell division and efficient tissue regeneration. But each time cells divide, telomeres break off another piece of genetic code. As we age, our telomeres get shorter and shorter. As telomeres shorten, cells deteriorate. After a limited number of cell divisions, telomeres run out of genetic code. A kill switch flips to the off position, and the cell dies. But here's the good news. New research suggests that by reprogramming our telomeres to stay long and strong, we may keep the switch on, prolonging cell division so our cells can keep regenerating our tissues. With long telomeres, you may get more life out of your cells. An advanced, never-before-seen formulation, Immortalium nourishes your telomeres with 35 compounds and antioxidant enzymes in precise ratios. These nutrients may combine to optimize the long, strong telomeres that are associated with wellness. As Immortalium nourishes your telomeres, it may also optimize cellular division for better regeneration across your body's 100 trillion cells. Just imagine how all of these revitalized peak-performing cells might support your health. Immortalium maximizes its telomere supportive cellular activity with extended-release bilayer delivery and protective glass Myron bottles. Telomere science may eventually unlock immortality, but why wait? With Immortalium, you can start addressing your telomere health today so your cells can live longer.
Cardio Beats from Youngevity supports a healthy cardiovascular system and helps supply the nutrients your body needs to support better physical endurance. Your capacity to last a little longer is largely based on how well your cardiovascular system expends oxygen and circulates blood through your body. Cardio Beats helps combat the oxidative stress caused by physical activity by supplying you with key nutrients that support your cardiovascular system. These nutrients have also been shown to help improve endurance. Cardio Beats starts with organic beets, a rich source of nitrates to support healthy blood flow and oxygen transport. We've added whole foods from highly bioavailable seaweed and mango fruit. both known for blood flow support and antioxidant-rich sweet cherries. Then, for even more heart health benefits, we finished it off with key amino acids. Take your physical endurance to the next level with Cardio Beats. Talk to your Youngevity associate for more information.